Welcome to Blue Baron Truck Mounts here in Lecanto, Florida. I just wanted to show you that we have prefabbed recovery tanks, beautifully constructed, and we are ahead of the game, and that's what we're all about. So we're a family-run business, 18-year builder. I've been 44 years in the industry, and what we've done is we've built ahead of time. That way, when someone comes in and pulls an order, we can get in a timely fashion, get that out to them as soon as possible, making a lot of money in the floor care industry. And our amazing Blue Baron truck mounts are 3,500 pounds pressure rated patented heat exchanger design, which allows you to do high pressure jobs. Don't ever let a high pressure job go down, because a lot of these manufacturers are passing off high priced truck mounts where they're low PSI rated, cheap copper. And also we add on accessories. So if you decide you want one of these beautiful inline filter boxes, we can add that to the list of options that you want on your truck mount. And we had a previous video that showed the pull and vacuum lift of this whole unit, including our Baron custom build filter. But like I said, we're getting down to where we are building frames, recovery tanks, access point heat exchangers, brackets, and everything, so that when someone does pull an order, we can be done in a very timely fashion. And we are just moving right along. So regardless of whether, we have our orders, but we order ahead of time as far as stuff that we need in order to be able to get that machine out to the customer. And as you can see, this is part of an install that we have today. And it's been really busy. This guy is going to be incredibly happy with the results. I've shown him the test results of this machine. It is just totally awesome. And like I said, we built prefabricated frames and bases and panels. These are just beautifully laid out panels, all CNC, professionally cut and designed. I took a lot of time designing these using my software, and then just presenting them to the CNC machine and putting out together a beautiful machine. We also do the large panels. We have prefab quarter plate frame bases as well. And now when everything is powder coated, look how beautiful. I mean, look how beautiful this is. Like I said, you guys are going to be super happy with the results of a very easy to operate open concept truck mount with a patented heat exchanger, one and only in the industry. We've been 18 years building, and we take pride in what we do. So call us today at 727-505-2989, and we'll get you set up in the best truck mount in the industry. Call us today at 727-505-2989. TruckMountStore.com 24/7. Look us up.